Alrighty guys, quick little Tuesday night update for you. Finally got that guy back to running like it should. Got the wind cut down and everything. Really not that cold out right now. I think right now it's about 36 degrees out, something like that. Most of the snow is gone. They were saying we're supposed to have some snow today, but it didn't happen. So that's good, but it's supposed to be down, I don't know, I think we're supposed to be in the 20s and 30s here the next few days. And then towards the weekend, it's supposed to get back up into the 50s. I saw one place that said 60, like 61 or 62. Anyway, been working on this, the Bronco top, and what I did with that was I went over it with Purple Power, and this guy seemed to work pretty well. And then after I wiped it all off with that, I went over it with some bleach, and it whitened up pretty darn well. And it didn't just cover it up, it actually took a lot of that stuff. You know, I got rags in the garbage, but it really got that stuff out of there. I did get the window out. I did that by myself. A lot of people were saying probably need 2 people to do that. You can do it by yourself, you just got to be careful. I actually laid the dog beds up over here on the side just in case that window fell out, but it really didn't fall out or anything. Once I got the weather stripping pulled out all down around here, popped this corner out. Well, actually I think it was that corner I popped out. It came out pretty easy, but I plan on having a video on how to remove those windows probably on Thursday. And I'm kind of glad I did, because it's pretty full of crud down here. And I'm changing it to a black color anyway, so I like to get that all, get the window out of there, get it sprayed up in here, so no chance of, in the hot weather, expanding, contraction of the weather stripping or whatever, having a white line around the window. So got that taken out. Really wasn't too hard to take out. Putting it back in might be another story. When I was taking it out, I started up here and I pulled this out about back to here, and then I tried putting it back in, and yeah, it's kind of a pain, but I think you can do it. It's not that bad once you get going on it. So need to clean that all up, get it taken care of. And I believe for Thursday I'm going to remove this one and show how to do that. Really not that hard, not as hard as I thought it would be, but anyway, that's what's going on here right now. Other than that, not a whole lot. I still need to clean the top. You can kind of tell, well, maybe you can, where I stopped right here. Need to clean that all down in there and clean all that crud out of there. Get it as clean as I can. Then I need to sand it just a little bit, and then we'll be ready for Raptor Liner. And as far as the Raptor Liner goes, it's it's cold outside, 36 degrees. I mean, it's better than we have been, but at the same time, I need to get this girl out of here, move this over to here, and shut the heaters off. I need to shut the heaters off because that stuff is flammable. The fumes and things. I mean, the chance of something happening are probably slim to none, but it does happen. I think it happens more often with spraying like 2K paint, but don't need any additional problems. So that's where I'm at right now, guys. We're just working down here on the Bronco top. I don't know how long it took me to take that window out. Maybe a half hour tops by myself. Really wasn't too bad, but I'll get more into that in the full video I have taking these windows out and probably cleaning this thing up some more and sanding it and getting it ready for that Raptor Liner. It's supposed to warm up here in the next few days towards the weekend. Like I said, towards 50s, 60s, and that'd be a lot better for opening that door up, getting it warmed up in here, opening that door up, spraying this down, and we'll be good to go. And I think with removing the windows, that's probably the way to go. And like I said, putting them back in might be a pain, but it is what it is. I think it'll turn out better in the long run. So that's what's going on tonight here at the Fox Shop, guys. Hope you're all having a good day, and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye.